Hi everyone, VI Information presents Marketing Strategies for Instagram. Today, we'll be discussing how to effectively reach your target audience, build brand awareness, and drive engagement on the platform. With over 1 billion monthly active users, Instagram offers a unique opportunity for businesses to connect with their customers. We'll share step-by-step instructions and best practices for using Instagram to market your product and grow your business. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, determine your target audience. Who do you want to reach with your marketing efforts on Instagram? Identifying your target audience will help you create content that engages them with you. Second, create a visually appealing profile. Your Instagram profile is the first impression people will have of your brand. Make sure it reflects your brand image and includes a clear description of your business. Third, post consistently. To stay top of mind, post regularly on Instagram. Fourth, use hashtags. Hashtags make your posts discoverable to a wider audience. Use relevant and popular hashtags to increase the reach of your posts. Fifth, utilize Instagram stories. Instagram stories are a great way to share behind-the-scenes content, promotions, and other timely updates. Make sure to use eye-catching graphics and creative text to grab people's attention. Sixth, collaborate with influencers. Partnering with influencers can help you reach a new and larger audience. Seventh, utilize paid advertising. Boost your reach by using Instagram's paid advertising options. You can target specific audiences, locations, and interests to ensure your ads reach the right people. 8. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages from your followers to build a community and increase engagement. 9. Measure your success. Use Instagram's analytics tools to track your success and make adjustments as needed. 10. Stay up to date. Stay informed about the latest updates, features, and best practices for marketing on Instagram to continue to improve your strategy.